Hi, Peter Diamandis here, the executive founder of Singularity University, the founder and executive chairman of the XPRIZE Foundation. I'm so excited to be participating in the upcoming Singularity University Greece Innovation Summit taking place on November 22nd and 23rd. As a fellow Greek, I can't tell you how proud I am that the SU Summit is taking place in Athens. During this summit, I'm going to be speaking about how all these exponential converging technologies, computation, quantum computers, sensors, networks, AI, robotics, 3D printing, synthetic biology, AR, VR, blockchain, are converging to reinvent every aspect of our lives. Every industry is going to be transformed this decade. How we govern ourselves, how we teach our kids, the whole field of health and longevity, it's all transforming, and it's these converging exponentials, not only creating new opportunities, but importantly creating entire new business models. So I'd also like to thank our sponsors, without whom this could not happen. In particular, Alpha Bank and Vodafone, Ernst & Young, and Raycap. Again, looking forward to seeing you, albeit virtually, at the Innovation Summit on November the 22nd and 23rd. For a deep dive into why the future is faster than you think. See you then.